Welcome to part 2 of me packing up and moving out of my college apartment. I just cleaned the faucet and the sink and all of that, so I need to clean the mirror because there's little toothpaste spots. Then I need to clean the floor because there's stuff from me trying to get the hair dye out from previous attempts to dye my hair. And then I need to just scrub down the shower. I need to take my shower curtain down, and yeah, that's pretty much all I need to do in the bathroom. Pretty easy, so yeah. Now I'm just scrubbing off the cupboard. I am gonna buff out the floor because I got hair dye on it in a couple different spots. So I have this little sandpaper thing. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. There's a spot right here you can see. Just gonna buff it out. See, it doesn't look bad anymore. Then there's some other spots right here. See, I think that one looks pretty good. Okay, there's some right here. Can barely tell. I think those ones are fine. There's a little bit right here. Okay, and then this one is the big one. And boom, it's out. It looks good. And then I'm just gonna spray it with a sealer. Okay, I'm gonna start scrubbing the shower because it's really gross. Like right there in the corners, everywhere around there. So I'm just gonna start spraying and scrubbing. Looks so much better. So look how disgusting my bathroom floor was. I sweeped it up and that's everything that came from it. Okay guys, now I'm just taking this apart. So far I've gotten those screws out and those bolts taken apart and the top off. So okay, I'm gonna finish taking this apart. Okay guys, it's all packed up. Now I'm gonna take a break from packing and go see my mom and dad because they got here a little bit ago. So I'm gonna go visit them because I haven't seen them in like a few weeks. So I'm gonna go see them.